Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to use Amazon Kindle on your Android device for beginners. If you are just getting started with Amazon Kindle but you don't know where to get started from, then this video will guide you through a step-to-step process on how you can start using Amazon Kindle as a beginner. So let's get to the video right away. Step 1. Download and install Amazon Kindle. In order to use Amazon Kindle, you'll first need to download the application, of course. So go ahead and open up your Google Play Store from your Android device. Soon after you open up Google Play Store, go to the search box and type in Amazon Kindle. Soon after you find the Amazon Kindle application in the search result, tap on the install button to start downloading the app on your Android. Amazon Kindle is not just a physical e-reader device, it is also a free app that allows you to read ebooks and audiobooks on your smartphone or tablet. It offers a vast library of content from popular fictions to classic literature with convenient features to enhance your reading experience. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button. Step 2. Sign up for Amazon Kindle. Soon after you open up your application, you will find yourself in the main home page. To sign up for Amazon Kindle, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. In order to get access to Amazon Kindle, you'll first need to have an Amazon account. Tap on Sign in with Amazon at the top of the screen. Now, if you don't have an Amazon account, tap on Create a new Amazon account at the bottom. Enter your first and last name in the first text box. Enter your email address on the next field and then type in a password. After entering the information, tap on Create your Amazon account. You will also need to verify your email address along the process. Make sure you follow through the instructions until the end. Soon after you do that, you will be able to sign up for Amazon Kindle. Soon after you are signed up, you will land in the home screen. This will display recently opened books, recommendations, and access your Kindle library. In the Library tab at the bottom, you will be able to find your downloaded ebooks and audiobooks, categorized for easy browsing. In the Discover page, you will be able to explore the vast Amazon Kindle store and purchase new ebooks and audiobooks. The More menu includes basic settings for your Amazon Kindle account. Step 3. Log in out of Amazon Kindle. If you ever want to sign out or log out of Amazon Kindle, then from the main home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. At the very bottom of your page, you will be able to see the Sign Out button. But remember that you must know your credential for your Amazon account in order to log in back again to your account. Simply tap on the Sign Out button and tap Sign Out once again. This will now redirect you to the main home page of Amazon Kindle, and you have now signed out of your account. Step 4. Log in into Amazon Kindle. Now that you've signed out of your Amazon Kindle account, if you ever want to log back into the account, simply launch Open Amazon Kindle app on your device, and from the main home page, tap on More at the bottom right. Now click on Sign in with Amazon on the top of the screen. In the Sign in area, you can enter your email address or your phone number and then your Amazon account's password. Simply make sure to enter your credentials correct and tap on the Sign in button to sign in to your Amazon Kindle account. Remember that you will need to log in with your Amazon account's credentials to access Amazon Kindle. So with these few simple steps, you will be able to use Amazon Kindle as a beginner. With the Kindle app, you can carry your entire library in your pocket and enjoy reading anytime, anywhere. Explore the vast selection of ebooks and audiobooks, personalize your reading experience with the settings, and keep your literary adventures going on your Android device. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.